Finding studs behind walls has never been easier. The Zircon SuperScan uses advanced scanning technology to detect wood, metal, and live wires with pinpoint accuracy. No more guesswork or drilling in the wrong spot. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the LED indicators provide instant feedback. Whether you're mounting shelves or hanging heavy decor, this scanner has got you covered. Fast, reliable, and super easy to use, it's a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. Say goodbye to bulky, heavy caulking guns. The Siligun is a compact, lightweight solution that makes applying sealant a breeze. Its ergonomic design allows for precise control, even in tight spaces. Unlike traditional caulk guns, there's no mess, no drips, and no wasted material. With a durable frame and smooth dispensing mechanism, it works with all standard tubes. Perfect for sealing windows, doors, and even small touch-up jobs. A game changer for contractors and home repair enthusiasts. Achieve perfect straight cuts and flawless alignments with the Woodpeckers SERX Precision Straight Edge. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, this tool guarantees durability and precision. Whether you're setting up a saw or checking surface flatness, its laser-etched markings ensure accurate measurements. The beveled edges enhance visibility, making layout work effortless. Ideal for woodworkers, metalworkers, and perfectionists who demand absolute accuracy. No more uneven cuts, just seamless, professional results every time. Need serious hydraulic power without the hassle of cords? The Enerpac XC2 series. Cordless hydraulic pump delivers unmatched performance with battery-powered convenience. Designed for heavy-duty lifting and pressing applications, it provides smooth, controlled power for demanding tasks. With a lightweight, ergonomic build, it's easy to transport to job sites. The high-efficiency motor ensures maximum runtime, while safety features prevent overloading. Whether in construction, manufacturing, or repair work, this pump gets the job done with zero compromises. Smooth finishes start with the right sanding tool, and TapeTech sanding sponges are the ultimate solution. These high-quality sponges conform to surfaces, ensuring even sanding without gouging. Their durable construction allows for wet and dry use, making them perfect for drywall finishing, woodworking, and auto bodywork. Designed to fit comfortably in your hand, they reduce fatigue while delivering professional results. Say goodbye to dust clouds and uneven surfaces. TapeTech sponges provide a flawless finish with minimal effort. Mounting anything on drywall can be tricky, but STELLIX makes it foolproof. This multi-thickness hollow wall anchor provides a strong, secure hold in plasterboard, drywall, and hollow materials. Its innovative design expands for maximum grip, preventing pullouts and ensuring stability. Installation is quick and effortless, making it ideal for mounting TVs, shelves, or heavy fixtures. No more worrying about anchors failing under pressure. STELLIX keeps everything firmly in place. A must-have for builders, handymen, and homeowners alike. Weld milling machine delivers just that. Engineered for heavy-duty applications, this machine creates clean, smooth bevels on steel plates. Its powerful motor and variable speed settings ensure optimal performance across different materials. Compact yet robust, it's perfect for workshops and industrial use. Say goodbye to uneven edges and time-consuming manual grinding. This milling machine enhances productivity like never before. Cut through wood, metal, and plastic with absolute precision using the SERX WX543L jigsaw. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to work anywhere without restrictions. Featuring a powerful 20-volt battery and tool-free blade change, it ensures seamless operation. The variable speed control allows smooth, controlled cuts, while the ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue. Whether you're making intricate designs or straight cuts, this jigsaw delivers pro-level performance. Perfect for carpenters, DIYers, and craft enthusiasts. Grind, cut, and polish effortlessly with the SERX WX812L angle. Grinder. Its brushless motor provides more power, longer runtime, and extended durability. The compact design ensures superior maneuverability, even in tight spaces. A tool-free guard adjustment and quick-change disc system make setup a breeze. The anti-kickback technology enhances safety while reducing vibrations. Whether you're cutting metal pipes, grinding welds, or polishing surfaces, this cordless grinder delivers the power you need with ultimate precision. Stripping wallpaper has never been this easy. The Wagner Speed Pro Wallpaper Steamer softens adhesive with high-powered steam, allowing you to remove old wallpaper effortlessly. Say goodbye to tedious scraping and chemical solutions. This tool gets the job done faster and cleaner. Its large steam plate covers more area, reducing work time. With a long hose and lightweight design, it's easy to maneuver around rooms. Perfect for home renovations and professional decorators alike. Keep outdoor surfaces spotless with the Einhell Picobello cordless surface brush. Designed to clean patios, driveways, and wooden decks effortlessly, it scrubs away dirt, moss, and grime with its powerful rotating brushes. The adjustable handle and variable speed control provide comfort and precision. No more backbreaking manual scrubbing. This cordless wonder makes cleaning quicker and easier. Ideal for homeowners looking to maintain pristine outdoor spaces year-round. Tired of struggling with odd-shaped objects? The X-Tool flexible fixture is here to save the day. Designed to secure irregular, round, or uneven materials, this fixture provides a firm grip for engraving, cutting, and crafting. Its adjustable clamps ensure versatility across different object sizes, making it perfect for laser engravers and hobbyists. Say goodbye to unstable workpieces and hello to precision. Whether you're working on wood, acrylic, or metal, this tool keeps everything steady. A must-have for creators who demand accuracy in every project. Power meets precision with the DeWalt DWD450 keyed drill. Featuring a robust 11-ampere motor, this drill delivers the torque needed for heavy-duty drilling applications. Its variable speed control provides flexibility, allowing you to drill through wood, metal, and masonry with ease. The side handle enhances control, while the keyed chuck ensures a secure grip on drill bits. Whether you're a professional contractor or a serious DIYer, this drill brings unbeatable performance. A workhorse designed to handle even the toughest jobs. Experience superior accuracy and smooth cutting with the Delta Unisaw table saw. Built for precision, this 10-inch saw features a powerful 15-ampere motor that rips through hardwood like butter. Its one-piece trunnion system ensures stability, reducing vibration for flawless cuts. The large work surface and adjustable fence enhance versatility, making complex cuts easier. Whether you're a cabinet maker or a woodworking enthusiast, this table saw delivers professional-grade results every time. Upgrade your workshop with power, precision, and reliability. Drill through concrete with ease using the Bosch rotary hammer. This cordless powerhouse features SDS Plus technology for superior impact and efficiency. Its 18-volt battery provides extended runtime, while the vibration control system ensures user comfort. The variable speed trigger allows precise drilling, making it perfect for construction and renovation projects. Whether you're anchoring, chiseling, or breaking through tough materials, this tool delivers unmatched power and convenience. A must-have for serious professionals. Cut with confidence using the DeWalt DWE7491RS table saw. Designed for portability and precision, this 10-inch powerhouse boasts a 15-ampere motor for smooth and efficient cutting. The rolling stand ensures easy transport, while the rack and pinion fence system allows for accurate adjustments. Whether you're ripping plywood or cutting framing lumber, this saw delivers clean, precise results. A favorite among woodworkers and job site professionals, it's built to handle all your cutting needs with ease. Achieve perfect tile cuts with the Cobalt 7-inch wet tabletop tile saw. This compact yet powerful saw features a sliding table for smooth, precise cuts. The integrated water reservoir keeps the blade cool and minimizes dust, ensuring clean edges every time. With a 6-amp motor, it slices through ceramic, porcelain, and stone tiles effortlessly. Whether you're remodeling a kitchen or tackling a bathroom project, this saw makes tile work a breeze. Get professional results without the hassle. Trim with power and precision using the Husqvarna 128LD gas string trimmer. Featuring a 17-inch cutting width, this tool clears overgrown grass and weeds in no time. Its straight shaft design ensures easy reach under bushes and fences, while the Smart Start technology provides hassle-free ignition. The detachable head allows for multiple attachments, making it a versatile landscaping tool. Whether you're maintaining a backyard or a large property, this trimmer delivers the cutting power you need. A landscaper's best friend. Slice through tough materials effortlessly with the Skill Worm Drive circular saw. Powered by a 15-ampere motor, this saw delivers superior torque and cutting precision. Its durable magnesium construction ensures lightweight handling without compromising strength. The bevel capacity allows for angled cuts, making it perfect for framing, roofing, and carpentry work. A reliable tool for professionals and DIYers looking for smooth, powerful cuts. Get the job done right with skill. Grill like a pro with the Weber Genesis E325's gas grill. Designed for superior heat retention and even cooking, this grill features high-performance burners and a sear station for restaurant-quality results. The spacious cooking surface allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're hosting a backyard BBQ or a casual family dinner, this grill delivers unbeatable flavor. Fire it up and enjoy perfect grilling every time. Achieve flawless finishes with the Metabo Drum Sander. This 110-volt powerhouse smooths wood surfaces with precision, making it perfect for flooring, cabinetry, and furniture work. Its variable speed settings provide complete control over sanding intensity, while the dust extraction system keeps your workspace clean. Whether you're refinishing old wood or prepping new projects, this sander delivers consistent results, a must-have for woodworkers seeking perfection in every detail. Sanding just got easier with the Skill Octo Disc. Corded Sander. Featuring an innovative multi-attachment design, this sander adapts to various surfaces for maximum versatility. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, while the microfiltration system reduces dust for a cleaner workspace. Perfect for refinishing furniture, smoothing wood, or preparing surfaces for painting. Get professional sanding results with minimal effort. Skill makes every project smooth and easy. Tired of the guesswork in home projects? Meet the TapeTech multi-tool, your all-in-one stud finder, aligner, and measuring device. With its advanced sensors, it precisely detects wall studs, ensuring secure installations. No more misaligned shelves or wobbly frames. TapeTech helps you align with pinpoint accuracy. The built-in measuring function eliminates the need for extra tools, making tasks quicker and cleaner. Whether you're hanging pictures, mounting TVs, or assembling furniture, this gadget streamlines your work. Compact yet powerful, it's a must-have for pros and DIYers alike. Get ready to transform your home projects with TapeTech, because precision matters. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.